The way most of us talk is actually costing us influence, and we don't even realize it. So let's break down 8 common communication mistakes you might be making.
First up, you're listening to respond, not to understand. You're not really hearing them, are you? You're just waiting for your turn to talk.
Okay, number 2.
Finishing their sentences and getting it completely wrong. It's so awkward and it just shuts the whole conversation down.
Number 3 is a big one.
You jump in with advice when all they really wanted was for someone to listen. They are not looking for a solution. They're just looking to be heard.
And at number 4,
Making it about you. As soon as they share something personal, you immediately pivot the conversation back to yourself. Let's talk about number 5. Using humor to deflect from a serious conversation. Cracking a joke can feel safe, but it often prevents any real connection from happening.
coming in at number 6.
Asking questions that are just your opinion in disguise. Like, don't you think that's a bad idea? That's not a question. That's a judgment.
Number 7, we're all guilty of this one.
Multitasking while they're talking to you, scrolling on your phone sends a pretty clear message. What you're doing is more important than they are. And finally, number 8. You get so uncomfortable with silence that you just have to fill it with noise. But those pauses, that's where conversations get a chance to actually breathe. This is one of many. Follow to see the rest.